how to change the touchpad size to small, medium, or large on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Now on the home screen, swipe down at the top, then tap on the settings icon. Next, we scroll down and then tap on accessibility. Then tap on interaction and dexterity. After that, tap on assistant menu, tap on the left hand side panel. Then we scroll down and tap on touchpad and cursor control. At the top here, tap on touchpad size. Then from the pop-up, you could select a small size, a medium, or a large size. So select one of the options and then tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.